Night swimming with playful lights at Villa Olivia Lake Bay Resort, Indigo Bay Subdivision, Calamba, Laguna. Yay! After dinner, syempre may kumakanta pa. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Ang daming food. Yan, playful lights. And, well, spacious place. And, ayan, big pool. Clean place. Yan. Oh. Ganda ng my lights. Yay! And thank you, Cecil. Thank you, Villa Olivia. God bless. God bless you abundantly.